This is King of Review. So here we have to decide which is greater, the log base 1/2 of 3 or the log base 1/4 of 5. Now it would be a lot easier to compare these logs if they both had the same base. And luckily, there's an easy way we can change the log base 1/4 of 5 so that it's log base 1/2, just like the other log base 1/2. First, we should note that 1/2 to the second power, 1/2 times 1/2, is 1/4. So 1/2 and 1/4, the two bases, are related by a power of 2. To help us, we can use a nice property of logs that says if we have a log base b squared of some number x squared, that's the exact same as the log base just b of just x. We can essentially take the square root of the base and the term inside the log at the same time and get the same log. So if I want to change log base 1/4 into log base 1/2, to change 1/4 into 1/2 I take the square root, so I have to take the square root of the original number inside the log, which was 5. So what I'm really comparing here is the log base 1/2 of 3 and the log base 1/2 of square root of 5. Now let's think what the log base 1/2 as a function looks like. Since the base 1/2 is less than 1, this function will be a decreasing function. It will look something like this, where it crosses the x-axis at x equals 1. So if it's decreasing, we know it's going down, but we need to know which is bigger, the 3 or the square root of 5, the two numbers on the x-axis at these 2 points. Well, I know that 2 squared is 4, and 3 squared is 9. 5 is somewhere in between 4 and 9, which means the square root of 5 is somewhere between 2 and 3. That is, the square root of 5 is equal to 2 point something something something, a lot of decimals that will go on forever. But importantly, this means that the square root of 5 is smaller than 3. And according to this graph, since this graph is decreasing, if square root of 5 is less than 3, the log will be higher. Let's say this point is square root of 5 and this point is 3. Square root of 5 has a higher log than 3 does because the graph is decreasing. So the log base 1/2 of the square root of 5 will actually be greater than the log base 1/2 of 3. And so the log base 1/4 of 5, which we turned into the log base 1/2 of square root of 5, will be the greater log. And there's our answer. Thanks for watching.